Rock of Ages, cleft for me, let me hide myself in thee. Let the water and the blood from the wounded side which flowed be of sin the double cure. Cleanse from guilt and make me pure. Not the labors of my hands can fulfill thy lost demands. Could my zeal no respite know? Could my tears forever flow? All of sin could not atone. Thou must save, and thou alone. While I draw this fleeting breath, when my eyelids close in death, when I soar to worlds unknown, see thee on thy judgment throne. Rock of Ages, cleft for me, let me hide myself in thee.